Did you know that the average person can only focus for 8 seconds before getting distracted? That's less time than a goldfish can focus. But what if you could train your brain to focus for hours on end? Imagine being able to concentrate on a single task without getting sidetracked by social media, email, or phone notifications. It's possible, and we're about to show you how. According to a study by Microsoft, the human attention span has decreased by 33% since 2000. But don't worry, we've got the solution. Focus is a skill that can be developed with practice and patience. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. From social media to email, text messages, and phone notifications, it's easy to get sidetracked. But the cost of distraction is high. A study by the University of California, Irvine found that it takes an average of 23 minutes to refocus after a distraction. That's why it's essential to develop strategies to improve your focus and concentration. By doing so, you'll be able to achieve your goals faster, be more productive, and reduce stress. So, let's dive into the first strategy. Focus is not just about avoiding distractions. It's about training your brain to concentrate on a single task. You've probably felt it before, the feeling of being overwhelmed by too many tasks, too many distractions, and too little time. Your mind is racing, and you can't seem to focus on anything. This is what happens when your brain is not trained to concentrate. The result is a decrease in productivity, an increase in stress, and a sense of burnout. But it's not just about feeling overwhelmed. The lack of focus can also affect your relationships, your work, and your overall well-being. So, what can you do to improve your focus and concentration? The answer lies in understanding how your brain works. The problem is that our brains are wired to be distracted. We're constantly bombarded with information, and our brains are designed to respond to it. But this can be a major obstacle to focus and concentration. When you're trying to concentrate, your brain is fighting against its natural tendency to be distracted. That's why it's essential to develop strategies to overcome this tendency. One way to do this is by using the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. But there's more to it than just using a technique. So how can you train your brain to focus? The first step is to understand how your brain works. Your brain has two main modes, the focused mode and the default mode. The focused mode is when you're concentrating on a single task, and the default mode is when your brain is at rest. When you're in the default mode, your brain is prone to mind wandering, which can be a major obstacle to focus. But by using techniques such as meditation and mindfulness, you can train your brain to stay in the focused mode. A study by Harvard University found that meditation can increase gray matter in the brain, leading to improved focus and concentration. So, let's dive deeper into the benefits of meditation. Meditation is not just about sitting quietly. It's about training your brain to focus. When you meditate, you're teaching your brain to concentrate on a single point, such as your breath. This can help you develop the ability to focus on a single task, even when you're faced with distractions. But meditation is not the only way to improve focus. Exercise is also a powerful tool for improving focus and concentration. A study by the University of Illinois found that exercise can improve cognitive function, including focus and concentration. So, let's talk about how exercise can help you stay focused. Exercise is not just about physical health, it's also about mental health. When you exercise, you're releasing endorphins, which can help improve your mood and reduce stress. But exercise can also improve focus and concentration by increasing blood flow to the brain. A study by the University of British Columbia found that exercise can improve cognitive function in older adults, including focus and concentration. So, how can you incorporate exercise into your daily routine to improve focus? The answer is simple: start small. Begin with short periods of exercise, such as 10-15 minutes, and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Another way to improve focus is by using music. Listening to music can help you concentrate by blocking out distractions and improving your mood. A study by the University of California, Irvine found that listening to music can improve focus and concentration, especially when it comes to tasks that require attention and memory. But what type of music is best for focus? The answer is simple: music without lyrics. Music with lyrics can be distracting, especially if you're trying to focus on a task that requires language processing. So, let's talk about how to use music to improve focus. Using music to improve focus is not just about listening to music. It's about creating an environment that promotes concentration. When you're trying to focus, you want to eliminate distractions and create a sense of calm. Music can help you do this by blocking out background noise and improving your mood. But music is not the only way to create a conducive environment for focus. Lighting, temperature, and noise levels can all impact your ability to concentrate. A study by the University of Michigan found that natural light can improve focus and concentration, while a study by the University of California, Berkeley found that a cooler temperature can improve cognitive function. So how can you create an environment that promotes focus? The answer is simple: start by eliminating distractions. Turn off your phone, log out of social media, and find a quiet space to work. Then, use music, lighting, and temperature to create a sense of calm and concentration. But creating an environment for focus is not just about physical space. It's also about mental space. You need to be able to clear your mind and focus on a single task. A study by the University of Oxford found that mindfulness can help improve focus and concentration by reducing mind wandering. So, let's talk about how to use mindfulness to improve focus. What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about focus was wrong? What if the key to improving focus and concentration wasn't about avoiding distractions, but about embracing them? This is what's known as the distraction-based approach to focus. By embracing distractions, you can actually improve your ability to concentrate. A study by the University of Chicago found that people who were exposed to distractions while working were actually able to focus better than those who were not. So, how can you use the distraction-based approach to improve focus? The answer is simple: start by acknowledging that distractions are a natural part of the focusing process. So there you have it, the secrets to training your brain for focus and concentration. From meditation and exercise to music and mindfulness, we've covered the most effective strategies for improving focus. But the key to success is not just about using these strategies. It's about creating a lifestyle that promotes focus and concentration. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can improve your productivity, reduce stress, and achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start training your brain for focus today. Remember, focus is a skill that can be developed with practice and patience. With the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now it's your turn to take action. We challenge you to try one of the strategies we've covered in this video for the next 24 hours. Whether it's meditation, exercise, or music, commit to using it to improve your focus and concentration. And when you do, share your experience with us in the comments below. How did you use the strategy? What were the results? By sharing your experience, you can help others improve their focus and concentration. So don't wait, start training your brain for focus today. The power is in your hands. Focus is not just a skill, it's a choice. Choose to focus, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.